Hey there! Today I'm going to tell you about something that sounds like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Klein Vision AirCar. This isn't just a concept or a dream anymore. It's a real flying car that's been certified to take to the skies in Slovakia. Imagine driving down a road, pulling over, pressing a button, and watching as your car transforms into an aircraft in just over 2 minutes. That's exactly what the AirCar does. This two-seater vehicle literally bridges the gap between driving and flying, making it one of the most exciting developments in transportation today. The AirCar is powered by a regular 1.6-liter BMW engine, the same kind you might find in many road cars. But don't let that fool you. This vehicle can reach speeds of up to 190 kilometers per hour, that's about 118 miles per hour, and can fly at altitudes over 8,000 feet. That's higher than some small mountains. One of the most impressive things about the AirCar is its range. On a full tank, it can travel about 1,000 kilometers, or 620 miles. That's roughly the distance from New York to Chicago, which means you could potentially fly between major cities without needing to refuel. Safety is obviously a huge concern when you're talking about flying cars, and the Klein Vision team has taken this seriously. The AirCar has been designed with stability in mind and comes equipped with necessary safety features. Most importantly, it has received an official airworthiness certificate from the Slovak Transport Authority, meaning experts have deemed it safe for flight. Developing the AirCar wasn't cheap. The prototype cost about $2.3 million to create. But the team at Klein Vision, the Slovak company behind this innovation, sees it as an investment in the future of transportation. They're not stopping with this model either. There are plans for a 4-seater version, an amphibious version that can land on water, and even a long-range version for longer journeys. Is this the beginning of a new era where traffic jams become a thing of the past? Will we soon be commuting through the clouds instead of on congested highways? The AirCar suggests that future might be closer than we think. The dream of flying cars that so many of us grew up with is finally becoming reality, one transformation at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about amazing technological breakthroughs that are